We are putting the focus on our obliques today to cinch in the waistline, getting a tinier, smaller waist. I naturally have very narrow hips, so I really like to work the oblique muscles to cinch everything in to make my hips appear wider. And you'll be happy to know we won't be doing any planks today. We'll be on our backs the whole time. So let's jump into the workout. Arms are in a low V, our legs are up in a tabletop position, and we are pulling our knees into our chest and really just focusing on pinching our right oblique. So your butt is gonna come up a little bit off the ground, but the focus is not to get your butt up really high, it's really on pinching the obliques. So you're gonna move your toes to the right, knees to the left in order to really crunch on that right side. And we're doing the same thing on the left side. This exercise is super similar to another ab workout that I did on getting an hourglass figure. We are just not lifting super high. It's like comparing a crunch to a sit-up. This is like the crunch version. Now we're going into some kicks. So we're lifting our shoulders, neck off the ground, holding our arms out by our side, and kicking our legs as low as possible to the ground. As a modification, you can rest your head on the ground, rest your arms on the ground, and kick low. You can lift your legs a little higher. You can bend your knees slightly. There's lots of ways to modify. Just don't bring your knees over your hips. They should not go over and come towards your belly. Now put your arms in a wide low V, and we're gonna be keeping our knees in a tabletop, and we're just rotating them from side to side in a really slow, controlled manner. So the slower you go, the harder it's gonna be. If you go too fast, you usually just end up using momentum and you're not really working your muscles. So we're really twisting out the waistline here. Now straighten your legs up to the sky. If you need to have a slight bend, keep a slight bend. Put your hands behind your head, and now we're going to be reaching opposite arm to opposite leg, working that twist. Make sure to pull those abs down into the ground. Lift your shoulders off the ground as much as possible, and reaching for that toe while cinching and pulling in through the waist. And now we're going back to the first exercise, but we're starting on our left side this time. We're just gonna be repeating the same exercises for the rest of the workout. We're halfway done, and yeah, let's keep going. So I accidentally switched the last two exercises here. So we're doing that last exercise first, and then we'll go into the rotation twists after this one. So you can see here that I'm pausing because I'm like, wait, what? I thought we were done. So I realize in a second what exercise I forgot. So we're going into that twisting rotation. We are all done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. You can also check out a lot of my other ab workouts and other workouts and all my other videos that I do. So thank you so much for watching and doing this workout with me. I will see you guys in the next one.